sea bass. Lots of sea bass. Clean the scales this way, cut this way, and remove the guts. Cut the spiky fins off with scissors. Alright, wash sea bass. Make incisions on sea bass. Alright, spice it up with fish spice. Real nice. Rub it in nicely into incisions all over the place. Add the onions in between. Spice it up, the onions, with the chicken spice or any spice that you like. Into the oven. Nice. 200 degrees for 30 minutes. Alright, after 30 minutes you can just turn it off and have it rest for 10 minutes. Alright, let's see what's going on in here. Wow. This is so yummy. Wow, look how perfectly, look how it's not overcooked at all. It's cooked perfectly. Let's try it. Yummy. Like, share and subscribe, my friend.